Toilet seat covers and dispensers 101. Protective toilet seat covers. Toilet seat covers and their dispensers are essential components in maintaining hygiene in public restrooms. Here's a comprehensive overview. Toilet seat covers asterisk. Purpose asterisk provide a hygienic barrier between the user and the toilet seat. Material asterisk usually made of a thin paper or a paper plastic mix that is flushable and biodegradable. Size asterisk most are around 15 inches wide and 15 inches long, fitting standard toilet seats. Packaging asterisk commonly come in cartons of 1,000 to 3,000, with smaller packages of 125 to 250 inside for easy distribution. Dispensers asterisk, function asterisk hold and dispense toilet seat covers for user access. Material asterisk can be plastic or metal, often with a finish like satin, matte, or chrome. Installation asterisk wall mounted, usually near the toilet for easy reach. Compatibility asterisk designed to fit the specific folding style of the covers, such as half fold. Combined benefits asterisk, hygiene asterisk they help prevent the spread of germs and provide peace of mind for users. Convenience asterisk easy access to covers encourages use, promoting a cleaner restroom environment. Cost-effective asterisk bulk packaging and easy to refill dispensers make them economical for facilities. Pricing and availability asterisk, dispensers asterisk range from about $11.99 to $107.99. Depending on quality and features. Covers asterisk a pack of 5,000 covers can cost around $63.65, reflecting bulk purchase savings. Pro tips asterisk, measure your toilet seats asterisk to ensure proper fit, measure your toilet seats and choose covers with the closest dimensions. Choose the right dispenser asterisk make sure the dispenser accommodates the size and style of the covers you've selected. Regular refilling asterisk keep the dispensers well stocked to ensure covers are always available for users. Toilet seat covers and dispensers are a small but significant part of creating a hygienic and user-friendly restroom experience. Whether you're managing a facility or using a public restroom, knowing about these products can help you make informed decisions about restroom hygiene.